I was recently asked how to make your car last for the long run, so for a long period of time. Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. So first of all, I would suggest that there's 3 fluids that you change regularly, and probably a little more often than the manufacturers say. Number 1 would be your engine oil. So have that serviced regularly. There's lots of different opinions. I would say if you're around the 5,000, 6,000 mile range, you're in good shape to make your car last a long time. Second would be the coolant, antifreeze, radiator fluid, whatever you want to call that. That is the most ignored thing that costs my clients the most money. So every 35 to 50,000 miles on that, I like to see the first one about 50,000, the next one's at about 35. You'll hear different opinions on that as well, but that one makes a huge difference. And then third would be your transmission. Have that serviced regularly as well. Roughly the same kind of time frame, 35 to 50,000 miles. Once again, opinions are going to vary on that. Once you've got that all under control, the next things to look at would be your filters. So your engine air filter and your cabin air filter. And if you take care of things as they happen, the car's going to last a lot longer for you. I'm going to throw one final tip in there that might surprise you a little bit. If once a year you have your car detailed, you will tend to treat it a little more gently, because when we have a clean car operating well, we tend to not abuse it as much. So I hope this has been informational to you, and hopefully some good tips on how to keep your car for a very long time. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.